KanTaloupe. Today we're going to be doing easy build gingerbread house. The kit includes gingerbread house, a kid, and a tree, assorted candies, and they're easy to use. There's some easy to use icing with the tip. There are six pieces of gingerbread house, kid, and a tree. There are 5 large gumballs, mini jellies, Christmas lights, multicolored beads. Everything's edible, okay? But not this thing. This is cardboard. Easy build tray, mix, build, and quick and simple. And there's easy build roof folder, which makes building a breeze. And there's a pre-made icing that's white with tip. Okay? Ready? I'm gonna open it. So this is all the gingerbread. Okay, inside. This is a tray. I'll put this inside too. The house will, you're gonna find this, okay? So when this thing, you have to poke out this part, okay? Or else it's not gonna work. This thing you can color to make it more beautiful, which this will also go here. There is also these. And that's it. I'm gonna put it down. Oh my, royal icing is so big. Oh, there's some candies. Ooh, candies. I'll put the candy to the side too. Whoa, there are rainbow gumballs. More of these? There are, yeah, I already mentioned the gumballs. They're even candy Christmas lights. Whoa, they're even balls. That's everything. So this will be garbage. This will be recycling. Next, you're going to have to cut open the gingerbread, which, in fact, I love gingerbread. I love gingerbread. It might be hard for you to open, but it's okay. But if it's too hard for you to open, ask an adult. Which I already did open it, so I don't even need the adult. So this piece needs to face up.
Face down. Face down.
Face down. All the pieces have to face down. Ooh, the house top looks like mermaids. See, I love to eat gingerbread. Next, you're gonna take your icing sugar. Next, you're gonna take one piece of this and then you're gonna place it with the icing. Don't worry if it gets stuck. Then you're gonna take this and glue. Next, you're gonna take the other piece and then also do the same thing, glue. Then you're gonna take the last piece, do the same thing. Glue. Next, you're gonna take these pieces and then you're gonna face this side down, just like this. It's not gonna fit exact, okay? Now you're gonna do the same thing. Then you're gonna take this thing and place it on. We're all finished. Now, isn't it pretty? Remember to like and subscribe, okay?